So my name is Tara Manicsic. I'm a software engineer at Modulus. Modulus, if you don't know, is a platform as a service. We offer things like auto-scaling, Mongo integration, metrics, and multiple infrastructure providers. If you have any questions about Modulus, you want to learn more about us, we actually have a booth upstairs, and Kelsey is womaning the booth, so you can ask her any questions you want. Matt Hernandez, who was just on the stage for the Docker Node panel, you can find him. Another one of our engineers, Francesca, and myself, we're all around, so you can ask us questions about Modulus or anything else. We're really nice, I swear. So my talk today is going to be based on what we have as our rapid deployment with the Modulus CLI. So the talk is called Deploy for Dogs, which is a little nod to Max Ogden's JavaScript for Cats. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but it's a really great way to introduce people to JavaScript. And it's also to let you know just how easy our deployment process is. And to prove it, I have my dog, Toshi, aka Tosh Magosh, walking you through each of the steps. Deploying should not be complicated. So you spend all your time making your application, making your project. You don't want to spend that time doing the deployment, getting it to the people that you made it for. So you see Toshi gets extremely angry when deploying is hard. With Modulus's deployment process, we try to make it as easy as possible. These 4 steps will get you started with Modulus and deploying your project. And once you do the first 3 steps, you only have to do the last step again. Excuse me. And of course, the very first line that you will need is to install the Modulus module using npm install. Once you have that set up, I'm not sure if that's too small or not, but once you have that set up, you just have to sign up for Modulus. And that's basically setting up an account using your email, a username, and all of those credentials you can use on my.modulus.io. So that just transfers right over. And once you have that account, you just need to create a project. And all that is Modulus project create. Here I have also passed through the project name, but if you don't, they prompt you for the project name. And the next question that we ask you is to pick your runtime. Modulus started out supporting Node.js only, and now we've expanded to support Java, PHP, Python, and static using Nginx. The last question we ask you is to pick your servo size. And this one, we default to 512, but this isn't something that's stuck with you. You can change your servo size as you see necessary, and that's something that our metrics are really good for. You can see if you need a larger servo and switch it up. And the very last thing you have to do is to run Modulus Deploy. So with this one, I went ahead and did the -p to let it know which project I wanted it to deploy to. Otherwise, you would have a list of your Modulus projects, and you pick that project to say that this is the project that's going to get these files. And the output goes through and tells you what's happening, like what we're doing with your project files, how it's going up there. And once it's all deployed, we give you the URL that your project is now hosted at, which you can change in your project dashboard with a custom domain. But that is it. Like in those few minutes, that's all you needed to do. And now that you did those first 3 steps, from your project directory, you only have to do Modulus Deploy from that time on. So feel free to check out our CLI. It's on GitHub, open source, and there's more to it. Like from the CLI, you can stream your logs, you can set and change your environment variables. There's a lot more that you can do, so have at it. And this is my information. Thank you all very much. This is my first talk, so this was very, very exciting to do it here. So thank you all very much, and have a great night.